good day and welcome to another one of my videos. It's Jen here from Crystal Clawz. Today we are going to play with spider gel and transfer foil. I'm here with Ronelle. Ronelle is our Mossel Bay Garden Route trainer. Ronelle discovered this little trick by accident and we'd like to share it with you. Alright, what I'm going to do is I have prepared her nail already, base coat, colour, top coat. I've used the new Creme Deluxe number 67. It's a very, very, very vibrant orange. And now I'm just going to take some of the spider gel. I'm going to put it under a finger here so I can just put it straight up onto the nail. And I'm literally just going to spread this. I'm actually going to pick up a few threads. I want to get that very sort of spidery feel about it. Maybe a little bit more over the front of the nail. And we're going to leave it like that. I'm going to have Ronelle put this in the light, cure it for 5 seconds only. I'm not going to worry to pause the video because this is a very quick flash cure. Let me take that away. All right, so we've literally done this for 5 seconds, and now I'm going to take my transfer foil and I'm going to start, get into the camera, and I'm going to just randomly start to press it down. As you can see, this piece is quite used. Don't throw your little scraps away. They can be used when you're just wanting little hints of gold. And there we go. So a perfect alternative to transfer foil glue. Fabulous. We will add a photo to this one so that you can see it. We've got a lot of light reflecting on it, but absolutely stunning. Ronelle, thank you so much for that.